Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So for example this one. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and choose the specific contact. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture, and now you can choose it from the device photos where you've got the camera app. Your device will open the camera right away after tapping on it. The gallery, so of course the gallery with your own photos. The Google Photos, which is basically the gallery with backed up photos. Illustrations, which are free of charge. They are available online. So if you don't have actually the photo of the person you'd like to customize the contact for, simply choose something from those illustrations. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something which resembles this specific person. So let me choose something from the gallery, find the photo and tap on it, and then in this step you can change the size of the photo. You can zoom it in or out, you can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. Now remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and here we've got our contact with the photo assigned. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, for example, and during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.